What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how to change your manual transmission oil in your Mitsubishi Lancer. So first of all, I'm gonna use this manual transmission oil. As you can see, 75W85 GL4. It's very important to know what oil to put in your transmission. So first of all, before doing all this of the oil, you want to jack your car and put it in 4 jack stand in a level place, in a level floor, because if you throw too much oil in your transmission, you are gonna damage your transmission. And if you put a little bit of oil, you also are gonna damage your transmission. As you can see, I got the car here in 4 jack stands. So to know what type of transmission you have, what type of manual transmission you have, every car has this little plate that I'm gonna show you right here in the engine bay. Right here, as you can see, there's a trans axle. That's my transmission. As you can see, F5M41, that's my transmission. So you can see this, you can search this because you want to put this on the internet, and the internet gonna show you how much oil you need to put in your transmission. In my case is 2.1 liter of this manual transmission oil. So the first thing you're gonna do is going down here, and you are gonna see this little bolt that says oil. That's the first thing you want to remove. As you can see, it says oil, and the drain bolt is located right here, right back here. As you can see, this one is the drain bolt for your transmission. So you want to unbolt first this oil bolt, because if you do first the drain bolt and then you can't do the fill bolt, you are going to be stuck with no oil in your transmission. So first of all, you are going to unbolt the fill bolt. As you can see here, I am draining the oil of the transmission. So now I'm gonna put this, I don't know how this is called in English, but that thing, I'm gonna put it from here like this, as you can see, to fill the transmission. I'm right here filling up the transmission, as you can see. So if you do not have your exact measurements for this, you are going to fill your transmission and wait that this happens. That's, I don't know, that the oil leak from your fill bolt, your fill hole leak like this, and then you are gonna know that it's fully full your transmission with oil. So after all this, you are gonna torque your both bolts to 23 foot-pound of torque, foot-pound-feet of torque, and you are finished. So I hope you like this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Like, subscribe, comment, and See you on the next video.